Goddess of Science Biology, and I'm Mrs. Bolden. Today we're going to talk about cell structure and function, and particularly centrioles, mitochondria, and chloroplasts. This is part 8 of my series of cell structure and function. So let's talk about centrioles. Centrioles are a bundle of protein tubules that usually hang out next to the nucleus. When I was in high school many moons ago, they hadn't even discovered centrioles then. And as microscopes got better, centrioles, not only did they figure out that they were there, but what they did, in fact. So they're bundles of protein tubules. They usually sit at right angles to each other. They have this kind of configuration. They look kind of like little straws. This one in the electron micrograph, you could see on its end, that would be looking at it from this direction, and this one would be looking at it on its side. So it controls, what happens with the centrioles is they control the chromosomes during cell division. We have to ensure that the chromosomes get divided up evenly, and that's kind of the job of the centrioles. We'll talk more about that when we talk about cell division later. They always are found in pairs and near the nucleus. And they're only found in animal cells and protist cells. Plant cells don't have them. They probably have some other thing that they haven't discovered yet that does the same thing in plant cells, but right now they've only seen them in animal cells and protist cells. Okay, so mitochondria. Now we're going to talk about the energy of the cell. Mitochondria are found in all cells, plants and animals, and these are the energy generators for the cell. This is a cross section of a mitochondria, and inside you see this folded membrane system that's got over here. You got an outer membrane outside of that. You got some gush in there called matrix, all kinds of stuff. And what the mitochondria does primarily is it takes in sugars, breaks them down, releases the energy from those very large molecules a little piece at a time, and converts it into an energy currency that all cells can use, namely ATP. So they carry on something called cellular respiration. That's the process I just told you about. It breaks down materials to release energy. So cellular respiration has nothing to do with breathing, I must say. And we'll talk more about that when we get to the energy chapter. So where do you find mitochondria? Just kind of floating around in the cytoplasm, no particular place. And all cells need them, but not all cells have them. The bacteria, because it's a membrane-bound organelle, bacteria do not have mitochondria in them. So all eukaryotic cells need them. Okay, the other energy organelle is only found in plants. It's called a chloroplast, and it contains a chemical you've probably heard about called chlorophyll, which is green. That's what gives plants their color, and the function of the chloroplast is not to give the plant its color. Its function is to carry on photosynthesis, which means changing carbon dioxide and water, and with the addition of sunlight, into some chemical energy. And this is a cartoony version of a chloroplast. Again, it's a double membrane around this. We have these stacks of things. They look like green coins stacked up inside there. So it's only found in the cytoplasm of autotrophs, and which really means just plants and algae have chloroplasts in them. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.